I'm going to be showing you how to bake chocolate crinkle cookies. They're the perfect thing if you are craving something sweet, so let's get right into it.
For this recipe, you will need all-purpose flour, 100% cocoa powder, baking powder, salt, unsalted butter, granulated sugar, vanilla extract, eggs, and powdered sugar. Some of the materials you will need are a whisk, a spatula, tablespoon measure, a sifter, measuring cups, and a handheld mixer.
Okay, so first things first, we have to add in 1 cup and 2/3 of all-purpose flour. So this is 1 cup, this is 1/3, and we're going to add in 1 more third. So now we're going to add in 1/2 cup of 100% cocoa powder and sift it so that it's not as coarse. So we're just going to add that in and slowly tap with your wrist, and then look at that, it's covering the flour perfectly. So thanks to the magic of editing, we are now moving on to baking powder and salt. We are finished with all the sifting, so you can feel free to put your sifters away. So now we have 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. And then we're just gonna go in with 1/4 teaspoon of salt, no more than 1/4 teaspoon, or it's gonna taste really salty. So this is what your mixture should look like. Just make sure to whisk it really well so that you can combine all of the flavors. So now moving on to the wet ingredients. We have some softened butter here, 1/2 cup, unsalted, and we're just gonna add that into our bowl. And we're going to add in 1 cup and 1/4 of granulated sugar. So now we have to cream it together. So we're gonna use a handheld mixer and put it at medium speed for about 3 to 5 minutes. So this is how you cream it. We're gonna put it about 1 to 2 clicks above where it's starting and hold it for about 3 minutes. So this is what we're going to do with the eggs. We're just gonna hit it against the countertop and crack it. We have to mix it one at a time so that it's not, bad. So here we go with the mixing. We're just gonna blend it together for about 30 seconds. Here we go with our second egg, and we're just gonna hit it again, crack it. Always make sure to have a trash can nearby so you're not, looking for one all the time. We're also going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then we're just gonna blend that again for about 30 seconds. So here we go, mixing it again for about 30 more seconds. Here comes the fun part. Now we're going to combine our 2 mixtures together. So we're going to mix it for about 2 minutes, to be precise, on medium speed. So now we're just gonna add in the rest. So now we're just going to sift our powdered sugar into this tiny bowl so that it's easy to roll the dough into here. Just like I said, softly tapping it, and it should look like, a little flurry. So our mixture should look something like this. So now we're just going to scrape down the sides with our handy dandy spatula and just get all the dry powder into the dough. We're going to roll our cookie dough into the powdered sugar. I put around 1/2 cup, but you can put in as much as needed. So now we're just going to scrape a spoonful of dough and roll it into the powdered sugar, and then we're going to place it here on our parchment paper. This is the reason why I like making these so much, because it's really like making a snowball almost. So now we're just going to roll it as so, and it should be really sticky so that it's easy for it to get powdered sugar all over it. So this recipe made 13 cookies. They're going to go in the oven at 350 degrees for only 10 minutes. So this should be your end result. I hope you guys enjoy them. Bye!